All right, space enthusiasts, buckle up. We're about to embark on a journey through the cosmos, exploring one of the most debated topics in modern astronomy. Did you know that Pluto's planetary status has been hotly debated for decades? It's a topic that has sparked countless discussions and even some heated arguments among scientists and space lovers alike. Let's dive into the truth about Pluto and why it was reclassified. This story is not just about a distant icy world, but also about how we understand our place in the universe. Back in 1930, Clyde Tombaugh, a young astronomer working at the Lowell Observatory, discovered Pluto. Using a technique called blink comparison, he painstakingly compared photographic plates of the night sky, looking for any objects that moved. When he found Pluto, it was celebrated as the ninth planet in our solar system. This discovery was a monumental achievement and added a new chapter to our understanding of the solar system. But then, things got a bit complicated. As technology advanced and we learned more about the outer reaches of our solar system, astronomers began to question whether Pluto really fit the definition of a planet. Fast forward to 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, decided to redefine what makes a planet. This decision was not made lightly. It involved years of research, debate, and careful consideration. They came up with 3 criteria that an object must meet to be classified as a planet. These criteria were designed to bring clarity and consistency to the way we categorize celestial bodies. 1. It must orbit the Sun. This seems straightforward, but it's a fundamental requirement that distinguishes planets from moons and other objects. 2. It must be spherical in shape, meaning it has enough mass for its gravity to pull it into a round form. This criterion ensures that planets have a certain level of structural integrity. And 3, it must have cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. This means that the planet has become gravitationally dominant, and there are no other bodies of comparable size other than its moons or those otherwise under its gravitational influence. Pluto fits the first 2 criteria perfectly. It orbits the Sun, and it's spherical, thanks to its own gravity. However, the 3rd criterion is where Pluto falls short. It hasn't cleared its orbital path of other debris and objects. Pluto shares its orbit with other objects in the Kuiper Belt, a region full of icy bodies and dwarf planets. This means it doesn't meet the 3rd criterion set by the IAU. The Kuiper Belt is a fascinating region of our solar system, teeming with objects that are remnants from its formation. Pluto is just one of many such objects, which is why it was reclassified. Because of this, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. This new category helps us better understand the diversity of objects in our solar system. Now, some people were pretty upset about this change. They grew up learning about 9 planets, and it felt like a piece of their childhood was taken away. The emotional attachment to Pluto as the 9th planet is strong for many. For decades, school children memorized the names of the 9 planets, and Pluto held a special place in that lineup. Changing this narrative was not easy for everyone to accept. But reclassification isn't about our feelings. It's about scientific precision. The goal is to have a clear and accurate understanding of the cosmos, even if it means letting go of some long-held beliefs. Interestingly, Pluto's demotion sparked even more interest in this distant world. The controversy brought Pluto back into the spotlight, leading to new missions and discoveries. NASA's New Horizons mission, which flew by Pluto in 2015, gave us the most detailed images and data we've ever had. This mission revealed a world far more complex and intriguing than we ever imagined. We learned that Pluto has mountains made of water ice, a heart-shaped glacier, and even blue skies. How cool is that? These discoveries have only deepened our fascination with this distant dwarf planet. So, while Pluto may no longer be classified as a planet, it's still an incredibly fascinating world that continues to captivate scientists and space lovers alike. Its reclassification has not diminished its importance or our interest in it. And who knows? The future of astronomy might bring new discoveries that could change how we classify celestial bodies all over again. The universe is full of surprises, and our understanding of it is always evolving. If you found this video enlightening, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more fascinating stories from the cosmos. Stay curious and keep looking up. The universe is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered.